Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Pajero side mirror. First, carefully inspect the damage to understand what parts need replacing. You'll need to determine if it's just the glass, the entire housing, or perhaps the internal motor. Gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool to prevent scratches. This initial assessment saves time. Next, you'll need to access the mirror's mounting points. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry off the interior door panel. Locate and disconnect all electrical connectors for the mirror's power adjustments and heating elements. Finally, use a socket wrench to unbolt the old mirror assembly from the door. Keep track of all screws and clips. Now it's time to install your new mirror. Carefully position the replacement assembly onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Hand tighten the mounting bolts first, then use your socket wrench to secure them firmly. Reconnect all electrical wiring harnesses, ensuring each connection is snug. Double-check that no wires are pinched before proceeding. With the new mirror installed, perform a thorough test. Adjust the mirror glass in all directions and verify the heating element works if applicable. Reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap into place and the fit is flush. This ensures everything is secure and functional. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, please see the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.